Okay everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can enable Google Password Manager on your mobile. Say for example, if you're using Chrome or any app for the sign-in purpose, once you enter username and password, Google sometimes will ask you to save this password. So if you are not experiencing that step, first of all, you need to enable Google Password Manager. I'll show you. So click on the Android phone settings. So I'll be just clicking on the Android phone settings here, and remember this is on the Android 15 version, not the older version. So all the mobiles which are coming with this Android 15 and above will have these options very similar. Okay, so scroll down until you see these passwords, passkeys and accounts. Tap on this. So if you don't find these passwords, passkeys and accounts, maybe different manufacturers will have different options, and currently this is on Moto Edge 50 mobile. So at the end of the video, I'll also tell you if you don't find this option. And these are the three email accounts which are on my computer. Just click on which accounts you want to save the passwords to. So I'll be choosing the third one here. Tap on the third one, email ID. If you only have a single account, just click on that single account, and here you need to click on this Google account here. Once you click on here, you will be able to find this Google Password Manager here. See, currently all these websites and apps passwords are being saved here because my account, this Gmail account, has that password, Google Password Manager, enabled. For example, if your option is disabled, you need to click on the settings and you need to click on offer to save passwords enabled. Automatically create a passkey, sign in faster. If you want this option, you can enable this and automatically sign into websites. No need, it will give you a prompt that whether you want to sign in with the saved password. At the time you can click manually, no need to click on this option, or else it is up to you. Okay, yeah. Now from next time, this Google Password Manager is turned on my device. Say for example, freshly I have installed Instagram app on my mobile, and I signed in with username and the password. This time Google Password Manager will pops up and ask me whether to save the password or not. So at the time, if I click on save password and that password gets saved here, click on the settings, click on the settings, and then I need to reach to the passwords, passkeys, then click on the appropriate email, then click on this Google account, then click on the password manager, and here on the Instagram I can check. It is asking me to just give my fingerprint. Okay, if I give my fingerprint only, then only that password get visible. And I also told you that what if you don't find that option. So no need to worry, just click on the settings and directly here in the search, just search as password manager. That's it, password manager. So you will be able to directly see this password manager option. Directly you will reach here, and from here click on the settings and click on enable. This works on any mobile. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.